Hi, my name's Craig Hamilton. I'm a mechanical technician and I've been an elected safety rep for a year. This vlog focuses on management of change and why I feel it's important that we all understand what management of change means and how we need to consider this in everything we do. Management of change is sometimes shortened to MOC. MOC is about assessing the impact of deviating from approved practices or procedures, carrying out modification to facilities or settings, basically changing something from what's currently in place. When you consider major accident hazards, MOC is one of the key process safety barriers. It sits on the left-hand side of the bow tie model and is therefore a preventative barrier. MOC can prevent a major accident hazard, and that is why we need to take MOC seriously. Failing to take MOC seriously has the potential in itself to cause a major accident. Most organisations will have a defined MOC procedure to cover most types of change. Once a change has been identified, the procedure can be used to complete an MOC assessment. To effectively manage change, it is important that we recognise change, identify the hazards associated with the change, assess those hazards and identify suitable controls, and finally implement the change. What we need is for the workforce, both onshore and offshore, to identify and understand the need for an MOC in the first place. Some examples of an MOC are required are deviation from procedures when you can't complete a task the way the procedure states, modification to facilities. This includes changes to the design, specification or material, manning. People also require an MOC if we're working with reduced numbers, reduced competence or experience, or if people are feeling fatigued. Control of work when a change in work scope happens. Temporary workarounds such as bypassing controls or implementing overrides. There's also many more. So what do you need to do? Firstly, identify the need for an MOC assessment when something changes or needs to be changed. Then stop the job and communicate that change to your supervisor. Get confirmation an MOC assessment is required, and if so, make sure the assessment is completed before progressing with the task or change. If you're supervising others, please ensure they know when an MOC assessment is required and empower them to stop the job. Tell them if they are not sure, then just ask. If you're ordering equipment or materials both on and offshore, make sure that any deviation from what has been requested or from agreed specifications receives an MOC with the correct technical sign-off. If you're changing a procedure, ensure MOC is applied and the correct level of review or approval is completed. There are lots of situations where an MOC should be considered, so stay vigilant and make sure that MOC is considered at all times. If you're unsure, just stop and ask. Our industry is changing constantly as we enter the energy transition, and this will be an important time for us to remain vigilant to ensure the changes we make are the right ones to continue operating safely and sustainably in a net zero environment. There is more information on MOC available on the Step Change and Safety website. Please go and have a look. Thanks for listening.